to my channel. As you probably know, or maybe you are new and you don't, I haven't uploaded in quite a long time. I recently started a new job which I'm loving, so time and energy has mostly been put into that. I also just bought some new equipment to film with, so hopefully I'll be able to balance YouTube and work a lot easier now. Today I'm going to try something slightly different and do a voiceover tutorial. I'll be creating a very bright and colourful eye look using the amazing James Charles Artistry palette. I have been absolutely loving this palette. It's honestly been so difficult to come away from and try different ones. If you would like to see how I created this look that you're seeing right now, then keep on watching. So to start, I already have my eyes primed using MAC's Paint Potting Shade Painterly. I then move straight onto eyeshadow. The first shade I'll be using is Skip, which is a very bright pink colour. I'm applying this using a Spectrum E05 brush. I'm just packing that into my crease and blending upwards towards my brow bone. Partially blended, I'm going in with shade Love That, which is a darker shade. I would say it's slightly burgundy. I'm using the same brush as before. Next, I use Single. This is a light purple shade which I blend into the other two colours. I use the Spectrum E03 brush for this as well. Then I use Escape. This is a very deep purple, I just blend that too. I just brush away any excess shadow that has been collected on my cheekbone. Be super careful when doing this, as too much pressure can cause the eyeshadow to blend into your skin. For this I'm using my Spectrum C07 powder brush. I then go back and mix together Skip and Love That just to get rid of some of the patchiness. Spectrum B06 and B07 brushes without any colour, just to help again with the patchiness. I'm pressing more of the shade Escape into the crease to bring back the intensity you may lose during blending. I start by using Skip on my Spectrum A13 brush. I just carefully apply that shade along the edge of my eye. I also join it back up to the main part of my eyeshadow. I also switch from brush to brush to blend. I then add shade Escape using the same brush. All I'm doing now is repeating the steps until I'm happy with the final blend. To cut the crease. I'm using my favourite product for this being the Revolution Cutcrease canvas in the shade Illustrate. I'm using my Spectrum A22 angled brush. I find it easiest to use a brush that can hold a decent amount of product with a point for precision. One of my biggest tips is to go way above your natural crease and take your time. I dip into the shade Artistry and apply to the inner corner of my lid. Spectrum A13 brush for the centre part of my lid. I also just quickly apply Artistry again on top of the shade Single. Escape again for the outer corner. I then add a little bit of the black shade Spooker. I apply this to the very outer corner and gently blend over Escape and Single to darken everything up. Next, I just go around the edges with the shade Skip. Just to tidy everything up, I use my Spectrum C06 brush with a bit of face powder on. Think of it as an eraser. Lastly, I repeat the process until I'm happy with the final blend. Eyelashes and mascara. I'm using the Eylure lashes in the style Gimme Gimme. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. My social media links are just down below if you would like to see any other looks I have done. I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!